So what should Amazon third-party sellers do in the next year to 3 years to stay ahead of the curve and thrive in this new environment?
Really good question. The Amazon of today is not the Amazon of 2017, 2018 by any means. Here's my prediction. Over the next 3 to 5 years, over the 10 years, you're going to see very, very few courses that are pitching, start your business on Amazon, kick back, relax, and enjoy $1 million paydays all day long. That already doesn't happen now. It's ironic that those courses even still sell in today's environment. Amazon is harder today than it was in 2017. But guess what? Amazon is going to be harder in 2028 than it is in 2024. So here would be my recommendations. What do you do? Amazon's getting harder. Do you just run away from it? And you're like, oh, this is too complicated. I can't do this. No, you need to, double down in your business.